New information tonight in the investigation involving former Michigan State University head football coach Mel Tucker. Good evening, I'm Ann Emmerich. David is off tonight. A hearing today behind closed doors will determine whether Tucker violated university policy when he had phone sex with a relationship violence expert he hired to speak to the Spartan football team. Tucker's attorneys released evidence they say supports claims Tucker's relationship was not one-sided. Tucker did not participate in today's hearing because of what his lawyer calls a serious illness. News 10's Justin Kent now joins us with the latest on these new developments.
Yeah, and lawyers for the now fired MSU football head coach sent News 10's this letter that says that provides their client did nothing wrong. Tucker's lawyer continued to claim the investigation was incomplete and biased, and that evidence provided here in today's show, Tucker should not have been fired for allegedly violating his contract's morality clause. Over 100 pages of new information has now been presented to Michigan State University from former head football coach Mel Tucker's lawyers. In the letter, Tucker claims rape survivor turned relationship violence activist Brenda Tracy had another relationship with Georgia Tech basketball coach Damon Stoudemire. During a supposed text message between Tracy and her assistant, Alan Alvarado, she spoke about her relationship with Tucker and Stoudemire. Tucker's lawyers say this proves her relationship with Tucker was not one-sided. Tracy says, "I haven't even heard from Damon since Monday." Alvarado replied, "He'll pop up." Tracy then said, "For sure, he's not going anywhere. LOL, he was supposed to find time to see me before the 20th. Coach Tucker told me he loved me last night. It wasn't weird though, he made sure I knew it was about being a friend." Tracy's lawyers wouldn't comment Thursday to News 10, but in the USA Today article published last month, Tracy claimed that Tucker came on to her and engaged in non-consensual phone sex during an April 2022 call. She says Tucker retaliated against her after she refused his advances, but Tucker's legal team says another conversation with Alvarado shows that Tracy was looking for her own financial gain. Tracy said, "Money is my only recourse to make him feel like there is a punishment. When they do the money, I should make him pay me $10K directly." Now, it should take a few weeks before the results of that hearing are announced. Since Tucker was fired last week, the results of today's hearing will be more of a formality for the school to conclude their investigation for their personal records. Tucker's lawyers have suggested that they may file a wrongful termination lawsuit against the university. He had about $80 million left on his contract at the time. Live in studio, Justin Kent, News 10.
All right, Justin, thank you. Michigan State says it is still looking into who may have been responsible for leaking Brenda Tracy's name to the public. Turning our attention to our weather.